Ultimate might is right, resonates in nature's realms, laws absolute, unyielding. Our steps influenced by past, shaping the future, woven in existence's fabric. Planet, sun, moon, stars aged 5 billion years highlight fleeting human existence. Every moment interconnected, nature's balance the linchpin sustaining Earth's life. Nature's ecological system complex, interconnected, governs planet's function. Actions, decisions ripple effect contributing or disrupting balance. Recognize importance of living harmoniously with nature. Adopting positive mindset, actions impacts profound on planet well-being. Positive thinking, good actions cultivate inner peace, fulfillment. Stay close to nature tapping wisdom, balance in life. Ultimate might of nature force transcends human control. Acknowledging, respecting nature's laws, live harmoniously, find purpose, fulfillment. Strive to think positively, act intentionally, connect with sustaining natural world.